is Mudassir, and I'm going to highlight an important issue and a major issue which has been having a critical impact all over the world, and that is layoffs. For the past few years, many companies are reducing their workforce. They have been removing employees which no longer support them or give them any profit. And in India also, in the Indian IT sector, we have seen many job cuts, and the reasons are pretty straightforward. And the one major reason is global economic slowdown. Basically, all the companies are reducing costs and increasing profits. And another reason is the rise of AI and automation. Basically, all the jobs which were done by humans manually are now being replaced by AI through machines and softwares. The impact is very serious. Many employees are losing their source of income, and their family goes through a financial stress. It is severe for families who only have one member as earning, and due to these layoffs, many young people, students, professionals, they're anxious. They're uncertain whether they will have jobs in the future or not, whether they will have a source of income or not. The future is uncertain. The technology is growing. The traditional jobs are disappearing. But the good news is AI is bringing new jobs in fields like cybersecurity, digital technology, and so. On conclusion, layoffs is not just a company's problem. It is a social economic challenge for everyone, and the best way to face it is through proper education, proper orientation, and the proper development of skills which is relevant to these new jobs. Thank you.
What you given